Hey guys, Techi device here. Today I review StealthHawk Pro. Watch the video till the end. The StealthHawk Pro is a basic drone with easy-to-use controls for beginners to learn. Before operating this drone for the first time, read the user manual. It includes a range of flight modes and a flight time of over 15 minutes. As a result, an individual can experiment with various flight modes. Additionally, anyone can change the flight mode while in flight by using the controls. This drone has a flight range of 100 meters. It incorporates sensors to avoid colliding with branches or birds, making navigation through the skies easier for users. StealthHawk Pro benefits: the equivalent of a military drone. It can be used for surveillance, just like a military drone. This equipment is extremely small and can be used for aerial surveillance and recording live video. This drone has a maximum altitude of 120 meters, making it a perfect instrument for monitoring from afar. Simple to use. It resembles a toy helicopter and can be used as one. It has an easy-to-use remote controller and can be flown swiftly, even by first-timers. It features automatic landing and return, which makes it more user-friendly. A lethal weapon. The StealthHawk Pro is a highly capable device that maintains a stable flying path even in strong winds. Even in rough weather, this drone will deliver high-quality images. It is capable of functioning normally in rainy and stormy conditions. High-quality photographs and videos. The StealthHawk Pro includes a 4K Wi-Fi camera. It is capable of capturing high-quality, high-resolution videos and photos. This camera is quite simple to operate. Outstanding battery backup. The battery has a 15-minute flying time, plenty for a basic drone. StealthHawk Pro pros. It's small and light. Outstanding flying stability. Includes a control pad for the RF remote. Real-time video streaming. Mechanical control and real-time movement of the blades. StealthHawk Pro cons. StealthHawk Pro is only available in one color. The 50% off usual pricing is only applicable for a short time. There is no physical location where this product can be purchased. StealthHawk Pro users are delighted to have obtained their gadget for such a low price. Considering everything, the StealthHawk Pro may prove to be a lifesaver. Apart from its multipurpose nature, the exceptional savings on the purchase of StealthHawk Pro are quite remarkable. Now you can buy this product. Please check description and click the product link. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon.